Unboxing time!
Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the VIVO V15, guys, and you know what's gonna happen. So today we are unboxing this VIVO V15 phone. No idea what it is. We'll come to it. So we have the grip cover in this, and we also have the pin to open it. Oh my god! Looks glassy, just glassy. So you guys can see it. It's really much of a glassy look, but we're not here for a case. We are here for a phone. Pretty heavy. So this, as you can see, is the phone. I'm gonna remove the cover, and here we have it. The phone itself is finally here. I'm gonna remove this for you guys. And here we have it, fully uncovered, unboxed. I don't want to touch the back a little bit. Oh wait. And here we have it, fully uncovered, fully clean. Well, not exactly, but still. And the specialty of this phone is it is 6 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, and the front camera is amazing, 32 megapixels, and back camera it's a triple camera AI. So it is a 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and another megapixel that I actually forgot. It'll be shown on the screen. It is. Look at it. Beautiful. Okay, what's the password?
Lovely been a white bag. Charger. Say cheese. Cheese. Not bad, 12 megapixels. Wait, are you recording? No.
So this is a picture taken from the V15. Looks pretty dope. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it turns off after some time.
Cool wallpapers.
And you can see the clarity of the photo. Alright, time for the charger. So the charger is a 4 amperes. It charges pretty fast. So as you guys can see, it's a dual. You can see that it's given as 2.0 and 2.0 twice. So it means that it is a total of 4.0 charging speed. Yeah, as they have mentioned, it is a dual charging phone. And here you also have a normal USB that you have for a normal Android, except the 1+6 unboxing that I did, you guys. You can see it. You can see it pretty clearly. And then last but not least, the earphones, almost like Apple's AirPods. Looks pretty dope. So this is the entire unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for enjoying. Go have a sweet day, or should I say a citrus day. Thank you all so much for watching, and of course subscribe, like, and share this video around, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.